If you've ever gotten lost or separated from your crew while out riding, this one feature inside of onX Offroad will fix that. So first things first here, we're gonna open up onX Offroad on our mobile device, and on the bottom right, you're gonna see the Go and Track option. Once we hit that, we will have the ability or option to share our location. Hitting that will give us the ability to send a link to our crew that we're riding with through whatever messaging app that we choose. Once everyone joins into that shared location, their location will start to show up as a live buddy pin right inside of onX Offroad. So now, instead of constantly stopping and wondering where everyone is, we'll be able to see our entire group in real time. If someone takes a different line, falls behind, or stops somewhere, we'll know exactly where they are without blowing up the group chat. One map, everyone on it, location sharing right inside of onX Offroad. To start a sharing location session right inside of onX Offroad, all you have to do is hit Go and Track. You can start to record a track if you wish. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and hit Share Location, and you'll be prompted to share that with friends, family, the crew, via text messaging or your preferred messaging app. Along the way, you can also drop waypoints. You can zoom in and out. If you get lost, you can just recenter there, and you can also hit the compass here on the top right. Start a location sharing session right inside of onX Offroad before your next trip, so you spend less time worrying and more time riding.